I came to Bianca Law Group for a neck and back injury. Um, and as I came to the office, the lawyer, Mr. Bianco, was he was a good listener. He listened to what I had to say. After that, I went to a lot of physical therapy for my neck, then for my back. They weren't helping. I did receive shots, but the pain still wasn't subsided. So I had surgery. I had neck surgery, and I also had back surgery. Both surgeries were a success. Thanks to Pianco Law Group for all the support for pre-op and post-op. Pianco Law Group made sure that I had the best reputable surgeons, surgeons that were recommended from high, and they were a success. Both surgeons that I had minimal scars, and I had no pain afterward. Both surgeries was a success. Post-op, they were magnificent. It was arranged already through the hospital for me transportation. The receptionist, they already knew what to do. They arranged everything for me, Uber going and back home. As far as the firm was they stayed in contact with me through post-op, making sure that I had all my prescriptions, that I still was going to be able to fulfill appointments that I had after, and that everything was good with me. I was in tip-top shape. I walked out a success, and I have no more pain in my neck, my arm, my back, my lower back. Everything is fine. And thanks to Pianco Law Group for all their support and care.